Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow a group on Steam. So what you want to do, guys, simple click this Steam on the upper left hand side right next to the logo, and then go to settings. Here you want to go ahead and click, for example, where it shows your add friends, so you can click on that button there and you will be taken over to this page here where it shows you a section called groups, and you can easily find those groups here. So here it shows and it says find a group. You can simply click on that, and here you can search for group, search for a community group. So I'm a level FIFA. I used to play FIFA a lot, even though I don't play the new FIFA 25. But yeah, if you want to search for FIFA, just simply type in whatever group. I'm going to search for FIFA for the purpose of this video. And yeah, let's say I want to follow this EA Sport 23. Let's say I can go ahead and I can click on this. And once I'm here, if you look towards the upper right hand side, you can see it shows one of the options that says follow. It has a start and it says follow. So I can click and follow, and immediately I start to follow that page, and that's it. I can always unfollow this from here as well. So that's how you follow the group, guys. From here you'll have that. Look at Christy, that's so weird. Anyways, that's how you go ahead and you follow a group on Steam, guys, and from now on you'll have that. So if I go back, but that's basically it, guys. That's how to go ahead and follow a group on Steam. Very easy and very simple.